Welcome back to another episode of RC Speed Week. Today we have the HPI Jumpshot MT Flux. Now the car is 100% stock. I've got a 2S already plugged in there, so we're going to find out what it can do with that, and then we'll go 3S and see if I can keep the front end down and not crash this thing, because it's got a lot of power. Here we go. First pass on 2S, and I reckon even on 2S this is going to be a zippy little machine. Here we go, Noah. First pass. How much? 64. 64. I told you. This thing on 2S is off its nut. 64. I do need a slight bit of trim. Sorry, just trimming out my car a little bit because it's alright. That looks about right. Okay, it's going straight. Alright, Noah, here we go. This is going to be interesting on 3S. I don't even know if I'll be able to drive it straight. Here we go. How much? 62. 62 that time. A little slower. And that's just on 2 sal. Alright, third and final pass. How much? 65. 65 that time. We just wait for this car to pass. .65 kilometers an hour. All right, so let's see if we can back up another 65, Noah. Let's go one more, just because. Going a bit out there, making sure we get a good clean run up and sit on that full throttle. 66. 56. Oh, 56. 56. Yeah. How did I get 56 from 65? Well, that's not right. One more. Sorry. That doesn't make sense. Here we go. How much? 65. 65. Okay, I'm happy to confirm 65. That fourth one was a bit of a weird one. There we go, 65. No GPS today. Unfortunately, it has a flat battery. I forgot to charge it. My bad. Anyway, let's go 3S. Okay, sun's gone down. It's getting dark, and we're on 3S with the HPI Jumpshot Flux. And oh my god, I'm barely at half throttle. This thing feels like an absolute weapon. All right. Let's see what we can do, Noah. If we can do anything at all. I knew it. I knew it. How much? 78. 78. And that was with the roof sliding. Oh my god. How much? Jesus. My poor body. 78. I can't. It's too much. It is too much for this car. Let's try it again, but I don't think we're going to go any faster. Here we go, Noah. I'm using the Ovonix 8000 milliamp 3S soft case. 78. And I didn't squeeze all the way because it just wants to bring the front wheels up. This thing is going to be uncontrollable off-road on 3S. The power system in these cars is absolutely crazy. Here we go, Noah. Can we crack 80? 75, and I didn't go any far, and I was destroying my body. Oh, my poor HPI jump shot. There's not going to be much of it left by the time I hit the BMX track. Oh well. I don't think there's much point in me continuing on without a wheelie bar of some sort. This thing is just insane. This is stock out of the box, and yeah, on 3-cell it is just next level crazy for such a tiny truck to be doing 80 plus k's an hour. I mean, if I could keep that front end down, maybe I could strap a brick to the front of it or something like that just to keep it down. Maybe we could find out what the true speed of this machine is, but I reckon we're going to be pushing maybe close to 60 mile an hour. I don't know, maybe 85, 90, maybe somewhere around there. I don't know. Either way, it's mental, and it's going to be a lot of fun to take this off-road and have a bash with it, and I can't wait to show you what it can do, because I can't wait to see what it can do. So I'm going to leave this one here. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and check out the video description. I'll have links in there to all the batteries that I'm using and the car itself and my socials as well. Catch you next time.